How to fix Ring solar panel not charging the stick up cam. So first, you gotta check if it has enough direct sunlight. So make sure the solar panel itself is directed to sunlight. It's placed into somewhere that is usually directed by sunlight. So sunlight over here on the solar panel. So ring solar panels, of course, will only provide a trickle charge, so they need good sunlight to keep the stick-up camera topped up. So move the panel where it gets several hours of direct sun and avoid shade. You are gonna have to test this out or figure out where sunlight will be headed depending on your home. But anyways, other than that, you can also check the cable and connection. So unplug the solar cable from the camera, check for dirt, moisture, or damage, then plug it back in firmly. The next option you have is to clean the solar panel surface. So you can go ahead and use a soft sort of cloth, anything clean, since you're trying to get dirt off your solar panel and just clean the solar panel, dust, water spots, or maybe even leaves for some reason can reduce the amount of sunlight reaching the panel, which of course can make it look like it's not charging. You also have two other options, which is to restart the camera. You can do this directly inside the app. So go ahead into the device settings, the specific device, go to device health, and once you're there, scroll down to the tool section and you'll have a reboot this device option. You can take a look at your manual as well if there is a reset button for the device, so you can try that out. And this is usually available for most Ring devices, this reboot option, so you can try this as well. Although this other option, which is to switch the power mode from battery to wired mode, can only be available in some. So to find this, you can try looking for this option inside general settings and then the power mode or whatever gets you to this option, which make sure you are on battery mode instead of wired mode. But anyways, those are a few options you have if your solar panel isn't charging your stick-up cam. So hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.